So for the cold water, which was on the right side, we had something that looked like this. We had two pieces like this. When I took the same thing out from the hot water, I ended up with something like this. It turns out that the pliers that I had before, they actually do turn out to be handy. I would not recommend using these to turn that. I would instead use this wrench to turn the nut. Don't use the pliers to turn this. Instead, the pliers, what they can be used for is to just remove this part over here. So now I'm going to put that there. And so that is exactly what we had over here. This thing with the screw there. So now we just need this part there. And so I've got 3 Allen keys here. This one's too small. This one I didn't try. This one I tried next because it was a huge, you can see just by looking at this, it's a pretty big hexagon. So I don't know how old this Allen key is. It's got, looks like it works for multiple different sizes. It was in a red toolbox in my basement, which I got from my dad, but it might have been something that Jamie gave me. So anyway, this is not working. It was too loose over there. Now, is this working? For the cold water, it was really, really, really tight. So, but in this case, it was just loose. So I just got it off pretty easily. And there we have it. So this, it doesn't look too bad at first glance, but and the cold water was the one that was leaking. Now, if we look at the cold one, there is, of course, this indentation there, or you may call that a crack or something. Let me try to focus here. No, it's not really letting me focus. Oh, it is. So yeah, that is that crack over there was probably the reason why it was leaking. And that was probably the reason why the cold was leaking and not the hot. Come on. You want to be careful with these. You don't want them to crack, so you don't want them to drop on your bathtub like that. This one looks like it wasn't leaking.